So to solve this inequality, we can say that the inside of this absolute value has to either be less than 19 over 5, or it would have to be greater than negative 19 over 5. So we're going to make two equations to solve the inside of the absolute value. So 4x plus 9 over 5 is less than 19 over 5. So we keep everything the same, less than, and it's positive 19 over 5. And for the other equation, 4x plus 9 over 5, for this one we're going to flip both the less than or greater than sign and the positive negative. So this one will be greater than negative 19 over 5. And now we just solve both of these equations, or inequalities. So we're going to subtract 9/5 from both sides. That cancels. We have 4x less than 19/5 minus 9/5 is 10/5, which reduces to 2. And we divide both sides by 4. And we get x is less than 1/2. And for this one, minus 9/5 minus 9/5, and we get 4x is greater than negative 19 minus 9 is going to be negative 28 over 5. And then we divide both sides by 4, which is actually, since I have a fraction over here, dividing by 4 would be the same as multiplying by 1/4, and I'm going to do that because it'll be easier to calculate. So times 1/4. So instead of trying to divide a fraction by another number, now we just have fractions to multiply. So these 4's cancel, and we're left with 1x, which is just x, greater than, then negative 28 times 1 is negative 28. 5 times 4 is 20. And 28 over 20 reduces to, if we divide those both in half, we would have negative 14 over 10. We can divide them in half again, negative 7 over 5. So x is greater than negative 7 over 5. So we have two answers, and we can go ahead and put both of these on a number line. And if we put 0 there, 1/2 can be here. Negative 7/5 is between negative 1 and negative 2. So if there's negative 1, there's negative 2. And this would be negative 7/5. So we said x is less than 1/2. So less than would be, and then greater than negative 7/5. So from here, since we don't have an equal sign, there would just be an open circle, and we would shade this area. So now we can test our answer by plugging in any point in the shaded area, and it should make the equation true. So let's do 0. So if we plug in 0 for x into the original equation, less than 19 over 5, 4 times 0 is 0, plus 9/5, less than 19 over 5, and the absolute value of 9/5 is 9/5. And this is true, which means that our answer is accurate.